Hi Care fans. Today we are gonna be making a tea party set like the Queen, but instead of tea, it's hot cocoa. First we get this, a little mat for the teacup, and then we get the teacup. Here it is. This is from my grandma, okay? And then we get this, and then we pour it in. And then put it back, and then we drink. Make sure to stick your pinky out. That's good for the Queen. Bye, Care fans. It was a nice day with you. Nothing is the same without you. Remember, be yourself and never change. Bye. Karebella out.